Hey guys, I'm Hassel with WTI, and everyone has mayo in their fridge. This is a must-have, but not everyone has the perfect mayo. This is the real mayonnaise from Hellmann's, and this one is made with cage-free eggs. I love this one. It tastes really good, and I use it for nearly everything when I'm cooking or when I'm preparing my sandwiches. It's not only for a good sandwich, but you can also use it for dressings or for seasoning your meats along with some mustard. So this is great not only for cooking, but it can be good for any snack that you plan to prepare. So this mayo from Hellmann's is definitely one of my favorite things in my fridge. Again, it's something that can serve as a topping, dressing, even something to season your meats. So it's versatile. It's very practical, delicious as well. And yeah, I really like it, but that's just my point of view.